Okay guys, so this video regards font display rule, which belongs to the font face set of rules. So as the documentation say, the font display descriptor determines how a font is displayed, whether it's downloaded and ready to use or not. There are 5 keywords: auto, block, swap, fallback and optional. So auto is defined by the user agent, so the browser that you are currently using defines how the font will be displayed, and that's the default option. Then, to understand the rest, we need to understand how it, in general, the render of font is work. There are 3 periods: the block period, the swap period, and the final period, success or failure. In the block period, the font is invisible. In the swap period, which are both very short time, the font is shown the fallback font that we provide. And then the success period comes when it comes. It might come even before the block period has expired, and so during the block period we start to see the font that we want, or maybe we encounter even the swap period and then the success or failure period. So in these 2 periods, block and swap, there comes the strategy that one can use to improve the user experience. Basically, using block gives a short block period, swap gives a even shorter block period. So with block, the amount of time that the text will be invisible is longer. With swap it will be shorter, but maybe the user will see the actual text that is non-corresponding to the font that you actually want to use. Then there is fallback, which I believe is I don't recommend to go into that, because it's saying a short, there is nothing particularly about fallback. Optional might be useful in the sense that there is no swap period, so it's maybe a recommended choice if you don't want the user to ever see the change, from one type of text to the other. Then you choose optional, and then the font will be invisible and then arrive till the success period. And that's it, more or less. So it's up to you to choose. What I believe is that this swap period time is not particularly useful, and it just doesn't really do anything good, because people just see a font and then it changes again. Anyway, is up to you. Last thing I want to say is that this thing is widely browser compatible. If it's not browser compatible, the browser will just ignore this rule, and it will not apply it, basically. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you find it useful, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and also have a look at my other tutorials.